Hello everybody, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from BohemStyle, and in case you're interested in this subscription, I will leave a link for it down there below the video. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. And by the way, I do want to let you guys know, I never peek in these boxes. I have no idea what's in these boxes. I always like opening them up live with you guys, and I gotta get a knife to cut this, because I don't want to ruin the surprise, and I like to experience it for the first time with you guys. So, let's see. Oh my gosh, that's going to be an awesome necklace. So in case you didn't know, this piece of paper here has a link for a video tutorial that will show you how to make two pieces in this box. Most of the time it is a necklace and a bracelet, but sometimes there will be earrings. So let's go ahead and see what we got. We have two jump rings. They're like 4 or 5 millimeter. And these awesome beads, which I have got these in a previous BohemStyle box. It was a turquoise necklace. Man, that necklace was gorgeous. I think I'll have a picture of it. I could put it up if you want to see it. Look at these. They're so cool. These beads are very pricey. Like, the bigger the Czech beads, the more they are. Czech Picasso. And they're table cut. And I wonder what these look like uncut. Like, have you noticed that the Hawaiian table cut beads, have you seen what those look like not cut? They're beautiful both ways. And then we have some chain, and we have some earring findings. These are cool. I gotta open this. This is different. Oh, there's going to be an earring project. I just said that it's usually bracelet and a necklace, but sometimes there'll be earrings. Those are cool. I like these. And I have to point out that they're actually solid. Like, I don't know if you know this, but usually when I get earring findings like this, it is hollow. It is a flat piece of metal that is bent and flipped over, and it's hollow inside. These are actually solid metal, so those are really good quality. And there is the product code for those in case you want to go get them, because those are really nice. And then we have earring backs. These are great. These are like the best, because like sometimes your ear lobe will droop, and I've noticed whenever I wear those backs that it doesn't. And here is some eye pins. And then we have another eye pin. What's the difference? This one's long? Yeah, that one's long. We have some small eye pins, so 3 different sizes. And a lobster claw clasp. And then we have a ball head pin. That's probably going to be for the extender chain. They always decorate the extender chain in this project kit. And we have a split ring. And some more jump rings. And 2 eye pins. Boy, I better make sure I use the right eye pins for the right beads. Don't want to screw that up. Which I do have my own if I do screw it up, but I see that they have like 4 or 5 different sizes. These rings are awesome. They've handed out these a few times in the subscription. That's the product code for these. I should go get these. I would like to do brick stitch on them. Earrings, or like do several pieces and connect them together into a bracelet or a necklace. That would be cool. They're really neat. Very handy. And these are also great for a closure. You know, if you have like a big lobster claw clasp, these are nice to have for a closure. And then we have 2 6mm jet matte Czech fire polish beads. That was such a long name, wasn't it? Jet matte Czech fire polish 6mm beads. And here is a bail, and I love this bail. I recently got this bail in their last subscription, but it was a patina one. It was silver with a gold patina over it. It was pretty cool. But that's a gorgeous bail. I love the beading on it. It's very, not boho. What's the word I'm looking for? Oh, what's the word? Forgot the word. Not bohemian, there's another word. What's the word? What's the word? I don't remember. Here's 2 jump rings. Those look like 6mm. And Rolo chain, my favorite chain. Wow, how much is here? Maybe 18 inches? Yeah, it's like 18 inches. 16 or 18. It's long. And then we got some more Jet Picasso trucks. These are gorgeous. Look at those trucks. Well, I have noticed that, like, you know, all beads are made differently. Even like when you buy a color seed bead and then you run out of it and you have to go back and rebuy it, it's not going to be the same exact shade as the color you had. It's going to be off. But I've kind of noticed that with Picasso beads, like some Picasso beads will have a lot of patterns on them. See how these are just completely covered in patterns? And then there's some that only have like a little bit on it. It's strange. So it's like when you buy them online, you don't know what your bead's going to look like because they might have taken a picture of a Picasso bead that they got from like a few years ago and then they restock that bead, but the new one has either more or less of the patterning on it. Does that make sense to you guys? And then there's these. These are table cut. Now, I think that this bead, this shape Czech bead is called horsehair. I've seen it on this one website that I go to all the time, but maybe I'm wrong. But like I've said, I've noticed that different companies will call their beads different names. They don't really stick with the original name for some reason. It has the Jet Picasso on the side. Those are awesome. I pray to God that I do not break these when I go to make a video, because I drop stuff all the time. I really need like a rug underneath of my desk. And then there are these Czech fire polish or are they drugs? Oh, they're Czech fire polish. They are matte. Those are cool. They almost look like lava rock. And then we have these, which is the mini version of the very first bead that I opened. See? It's a mini version. It kind of looks like a coffee bean. Did you know that there are Czech coffee bean beads? I have one. I was going through my beads one day and I found this little brown bead and it looks like a coffee bean. And I'm like, seriously, there's Czech coffee bean beads? And I looked it up and sure enough, there's Czech coffee bean beads. One side's round and the other side is flat, and then there is the seam in the middle for the coffee bean. It's really cool. I only have one of them too. I have no idea where it came from. Those are cool. I like those. Ugh, neither of them made it in the bag. Here's more of this one, small version. You know what I want to see in a Czech bead, and I don't know if it exists or not, I should look into it, is turtles. My favorite animal is turtles, and then my second is dogs. But, like I've seen Czech elephants, and I've seen owls, I've seen different kinds, ladybugs, Czech beads like that, but I've never seen a Czech turtle bead. I wonder if they make that. They're so pretty. Yeah, I want Czech turtle beads. If anybody's watching this video that makes Czech beads, please make me turtle beads. There are gemstone turtle beads. I have, what's it called, howlite turtle beads. But I would love to see a Czech, yeah, Picasso would be awesome, turtle bead, because the detail that they can do on that would be incredible. This is pretty. This is probably the pendant. Because in the picture, see the picture? Looks like it's going to be the pendant. This is huge. This is like the biggest Czech bead I've ever seen. And this is the silver one, by the way. See how the silver look to it? Do those have silver too? Yeah. There's a Picasso that has a silver in it. I recently bought some blue ones that had it. Here are some more. Czech Picasso 6mm fire polished beads. Beautiful. I think that the Jet Picasso Czech fire polish beads look like snakeskin. Do you see how it kind of has like the snakeskin vibe there? When I was a kid, I had a ball python. And that's what I see when I look at these beads. Now that I've said that, and those of you that don't like snakes aren't going to want these, but it does. It kind of looks like snakeskin. I have Jet Picasso. I think they're like 20mm Czech fire polish beads, and they are so wild. Oh, these are cool. Is this for the earring? These are heavy. These are solid. They're not hollow. Little dangles. I like those. They actually make me want to go fishing because they kind of look like silver spoons. And I haven't been fishing in a long time. Here are all the pieces laid out, and I'm really loving the colors and the beads, of course, because they're Picasso. And this necklace looks like it's going to be gorgeous. It's long, and I've really been into doing long necklaces lately, so I'm very excited about working on this project. And remember, if you are interested in this subscription, I will leave a link for it down there below in the description bar. You can go and check it out for yourself. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Make sure you click the bell button so you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and check me out on my social media sites. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.